Could you talk about your sample preparation in detail, what the workflow looked like?
For the sample preparation, we get our samples from cells. So after treating the cells and letting them do what they do to the androgens, we take a sample from the media of the cells, and then we extract out the androgens. And we do this with a fairly simple extraction with diethyl ether. We shake them, and then we extract out just the organic layer into a separate tube, and we dry that down. We do that multiple times. And then after we dried all of it down, we reconstitute it with 60% acetonitrile, which is just compatible with the chromatographic method that we use. So pretty simple sample preparation on that end.
When you say dried down, is that using nitrogen blowdown?
Yeah. Yeah. So we've experimented with a couple of different types of drying down, and yeah, we do find that nitrogen is probably the best.
Very good. Could you talk about what your starting volume is, and then are you going all the way to dryness, or how does that look?
Yeah, so extractions use 2 milliliters of ethyl acetate. So when we isolate those 2 milliliters, we then dry completely down to zero. And since we do that multiple times, usually 2 or 3 times, you're looking at 4 to 6 milliliters drying down completely. And thankfully, diethyl ether is a very volatile solvent, so it dries down pretty quickly.